Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your OKX trade history to CSV for taxes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your OKX account using your credentials. Navigate to the Assets section on the home page. Find the Spot or Derivatives tab, depending on your trading activities. Select Trade History from the drop-down menu. On the Trade History page, look for the Date Range filter. Adjust the date range to encompass the period you need for your tax records. Once you set the dates, click on the Search or Filter button to display your trades. Scroll down to view your complete trade history. Locate the Export option, typically found at the top right of the trade list. Click on the Export button. Choose the CSV format from the available options. The download should start automatically, saving the file to your device. Check your Downloads folder for the CSV file. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the data to ensure all trades were exported correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to the CSV for your tax preparation. You're now ready to use your OKX trade history for tax purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.